Welcome back to the CapCut video series. In this video I'm going to tell you about that functions CapCut also have. If you want to edit a photo, you can also do that in the CapCut. You have to click on the first of all you have to open the CapCut. After that you are going to see option like this. You have to click on the photo editor and you will see that your photo editor will be open. So now let me select a photo like this one. I have selected this and click on add. After clicking on the add, you are going to see the options like this. If you want to add the text, shape, size, sticker, photo, and these are the basic options you can use as per your need. For example, I have selected the filters. You can also use, I'm going to use this one, this one, this one. It's up to you that any filter you want to use, you can do that. Click on the right. After clicking on the right, you have to going to see the sticker. If you want to put any sticker, you can also do that from here. If you want to adjust its filters, any option you want to use, you can do that also from here. Any option you want to use, you can use any option from here and as per your need. So let's go to the back. After going to the back, it's asking from you, your project will not be saved if you close the photo editor. I'm going to close it. If you want to export, you can also do that. After that, it has also auto cut out function. Auto cut means it is going to auto cut all the clip, all the duration where they are unnecessary. Simply, in the simple words, let me tell you that this will auto cut all the necessary parts of your video. These are the basic options. After that, you have another option, discover. In discover, this is something different. So about this one, we are going to discuss about this in the next video part. So I think for today it's enough, and we are going to discuss about this in the next video. So see you in the next video.